Are you tired of Windows 11 lagging, annoying updates, and AI forced everywhere? Well, Microsoft has finally realized their mistake. Guys, today we are talking about Windows K2. This is not a brand new Windows 12, but a secret project and master plan by Microsoft to fix all the major problems in Windows 11 and win back your lost trust.
Bygone.
So, what are the big changes coming in this K2 project? Let's dive into the details.
Bruh.
The biggest complaint users have is that Windows 11 is incredibly slow. Even opening the File Explorer or simply right clicking on the desktop takes a few seconds. With Windows K2, Microsoft is fixing this.
I
The Start menu and File Explorer are being rebuilt to run smoothly at a consistent 60 FPS. To make this happen, they are testing a powerful hidden feature called the low latency profile. This was recently spotted in an experimental insider build to 196300.8346. This feature uses your CPU's maximum power in short bursts, making your apps launch up to 40% faster and improving the overall speed of Windows by 70%. This means your start menu and apps will open instantly. Now let's talk about the most frustrating thing, Windows updates. Whenever you are in a hurry to turn off your PC, you get stuck with the update and shutdown screen. But in K2, Microsoft is finally adding a feature we have needed for years. You will now always have the option to shut down or restart without updating.
I
Not only that, but you can also pause your updates for up to 35 days. Microsoft will now properly test updates before rolling them out to avoid data loss, crashes, and the blue screen of death. Updates will install quietly in the background, and you might only need to restart your PC once a month. But the real question is, why is Microsoft suddenly being so
मतलब वो
helpful?
अलग ही लेवल
The
का बंदा
simple
था.
answer is the fear of competition. Gamers are leaving Windows and shifting to Steam OS and Linux. Because Windows is full of bloatware, Linux is actually running PC games much smoother and with better FPS. On the other hand, for productivity and video editing, people are switching to Apple's Mac OS, like the MacBook M3, because there is no fear of crashes and the performance is buttery smooth. To save their dominant position and stop losing users, Microsoft started this K2 project.
बात तो सही है.
Great. So, guys, overall, Windows K2 is not just a new skin, it is a project to make the roots of Windows 11 stronger and cleaner. We might see these changes fully roll out by the end of 2026 or by 2027. What is your biggest complaint about Windows right now, and which K2 feature are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech updates. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.